Sezinyanga ezimbili abososayensi beSouth Africa bathola ingogwana entsha iOmicron. Ngqongqoshe wezePilo Dr. Joe Phahla uthi imfunda zonke zenarha lezifikile ehlandleni lesine. Umemezele ukuthi iGauteng iphume ngokusemthethweni esahlelweni lesine lengogwana esahlele iphasi lonke. ISouth Africa kubikwe kutheleleke abantu abayi-5,920 ema-awini ama-24 adluleko. Ngeveke pheleleko isifunda seTjingalanga Kapa ngiso besikhamba phambili. Silandele isifunda saKwaZulu-Natal.
Gauteng province has officially exited the fourth wave. In terms of the technical definition of a wave, Gauteng, we can now say officially that Gauteng has technically exited the fourth wave this week. And all other provinces have reached their peaks. All 8 provinces have reached their peaks and are now on a decline.
Isibalo sabantu abangeniswe embhedlela ngamagulo ahlotshaniswa ne-COVID-19 kodwa ungqongqoshe uthi i-Omicron ehatsheka msinya kakhulu. Urhulumende usaqala indlela ezokhuthaza abantu bona bayokujova. Njengombana urhulumende athi isibalo sabantu abajovuleko sincane kakhulu asikalenzi inembo lakhe lokuyokujova.
Is still informed by population immunity or herd immunity. Which has to be coverage of between 67 and 70%. So that remains of our target in terms of the adult population coverage, at least 67 minimum and up to 70% of the adult population to be vaccinated.
Indlela zokusiza inarha lebona ikhutshwe esigabeni sezehlekelele ngemva komnyaka nenyanga ezilithumi. Bayelelise ngokuthi sikalindela ihlandla lesihlanu lokusahlela kwengogwana ebusika. Lokhu kuzokuveza kuhle bona ilizwe lekhethu lisukile kumabhubhisa namkhanjani.